Assalamu alaikum and a warm good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Global Spoken English for imparting us the art of public speaking. I am Rufaida Khatun. I live in Ghosi. My father's name is Mr. Ghulam. I have done my graduation and I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today, I am present here to about unity is strength. Where there is unity, there is always victory. एकता निर्बलों को भी शक्ति प्रदान करती है. Unity is biggest power in the world. Unity is necessary for every field of work. Unity helps in the progress of the nation. Unity helps to fight every situation. Unity gives courage, confidence and hope. A unified approach always leads to success. The power of unity remains in mutual trust and faith. If we do work in unity, then we can achieve the goal. Unity is always important for family, society and country. We are only as strong as we are united, as weak as we are divided. Before ending my speech, I want to speak some heart-touching lines in Hindi. अकेले में अक्सर हम अपनी परछाइयों से डर जाते हैं. अकेले में अक्सर हम अपनी परछाइयों से डर जाते हैं. साथ मिले अगर किसी का तो हम दुनिया जीत जाते हैं. हम दुनिया जीत जाते हैं. I wind up my speech thanking you all great people for paying heed to my words. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.